Dear investors, welcome back to my channel. Today I shall focus on the business model of Cyient DLM. This company is going to be listed on the Indian stock market on the first week of July. Cyient DLM, Design-Led Manufacturing, is a subsidiary of Cyient, an Indian multinational company that provides engineering, manufacturing, and data analytics services. Cyient DLM specializes in providing end-to-end manufacturing solutions, integrating design and engineering with advanced manufacturing processes. The key focus is to leverage digital technologies such as additive manufacturing, 3D printing, robotics, automation, and data analytics to optimize the manufacturing process. By combining design expertise with advanced manufacturing capabilities, Cyient DLM aims to help its clients accelerate product development, reduce time to market, and improve overall manufacturing efficiency. Some of the services offered by Cyient DLM include 1. Design for additive manufacturing. Cyient DLM assists clients in optimizing their product designs for additive manufacturing technologies, enabling them to take full advantage of the benefits of 3D printing, such as complex geometries, lightweight structures, and rapid prototyping. 2. Advanced manufacturing. The company leverages advanced manufacturing technologies, including additive manufacturing, robotics, and automation, to streamline production processes, improve quality, and reduce costs. 3. Digital manufacturing solutions. Cyient DLM offers digital solutions that integrate data analytics, simulation, and modeling to optimize manufacturing operations. This includes predictive maintenance, digital twin technology, and real-time monitoring of production processes. 4. Supply chain optimization. The company helps clients optimize their supply chain by implementing technologies such as digital inventory management, supplier collaboration platforms, and demand forecasting tools. Cyient DLM works with a wide range of clients across various industries, including aerospace, defense, automotive, industrial, medical devices, and telecommunications. With its strong leadership team and tailwind in the electronics manufacturing and services sector in India, Cyient DLM is poised to grow at a significant pace. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, do like this video and subscribe to my channel.